This still shot shows the 2 differential pressure transmitters. The rest of this video will show the braided hoses that connect these differential pressure transmitters to the piping, as well the electrical connection as the input to the variable frequency drives. In this first frame, at the brass connections, you can see 4 stainless steel braided gauge hoses. 2 of those tie into the pump discharge, and 2 of them tie into the leaving side of the chiller. This gives us 2 sets of differential pressure readings across the chiller. 2 into the chiller and 2 out of the chiller. You can also see, as we pan around here, the wires that come back from the differential pressure transmitters and tie into the VFD cabinet. On your project, this would be the analog signal input to the variable frequency drives that control pump speed. In this next still shot, you see the single connection point at the pump discharge. This is the entering into the chiller. We have a T there so that 2 braided hoses are coming out because we have 2 differential pressure transmitters, 1 for each VFD. In the next frame, we will pan around to see that there is a similar device into the leaving side of the chiller, 1 entry point into the piping with a T for 2 braided hoses for the other side of 2 differential pressure transmitters. We quickly pan around from the pump discharge or entering chiller, and now we pan around, and in the background beyond the pump, beyond that elbow, you can see down low where the input for the chiller leaving connection is located. This is a still shot picture of that leaving connection. You'll notice beyond the elbow that the braided hoses are connected to approximately a 6-inch spool piece of piping. It is this piping that we are making and shipping to the job site to allow you to connect the differential pressure transmitter input braided hoses.